Wow, the Skydroid G20 Remote control is really amazing. As a seasoned model airplane player, I was amazed by its performance. G20 tops new Qualcomm Uno 8-core processor, equipped with Android 13 64-bit embedded system. G20 Remote control has a built-in 7-inch high-definition and high-brightness display with resolution of 1920x1200. G20 supports SIM card interface, USB interface, the use of high-energy density lithium-ion batteries, the use of weathered silicone, frosted rubber. G20 series ground terminal is built in integrated rechargeable lithium battery. G20 dual-frequency high-definition image transmission remote control for long-range model drone. You can see a very detailed introduction. If you would like to know more detailed information, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you would like to know more detailed information, please leave a comment in the comment section. Is such a good product expensive? You can see detailed prices on Alibaba International and AliExpress. Isn't it very favorable? The link has been placed below.